red color, yellow color, green color, black color, brown color, and blue color. Kids, now you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. It's now you draw F and use yellow color. F for fish. G for goat. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's now you draw J and use green color. J for joker. K for king. L for lemon. M for monkey. It's now you draw N. And for nose and use black color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R and use brown color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. Kids, now you draw W and use blue color. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers and use red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last we draw 10. Red color, light green color, orange color, light pink color, purple color, dark green color, yellow color, brown color, dark pink color, blue color, black color, and sky blue color. Kids, now you draw A and use sky blue color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. It's now you draw H and use dark pink color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. It's now you draw O and use yellow color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. Kids, now you draw U and use dark green color. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for yellow color, light green color, black color, dark green color, red color, sky blue color, orange color, brown color, purple color, light pink color, dark pink color, and blue color. It's now you draw one and use brown color. One, two, three, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6 and use sky blue color. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, now you draw 11 and use orange color. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Kids, now you draw 16 and use dark green color. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.